Are you tired of dealing with water damage on your floors and walls? Hi, my name is Tanish and I'm here to introduce you to the SikaTop 107 Seal Plus IN, the high-performance liquid waterproofing coating that's perfect for both interior and exterior use. The SikaTop 107 Seal Plus is available in a convenient and compact pocket-friendly pack size. For a bathroom of approximately 30 square feet, one kit is sufficient, while larger bathrooms of around 60 square feet would require 2 kits. This pre-packed kit is designed for easy use and bonds well to damp substrates with excellent adhesion on variety of surfaces. This can be used in exposed roof areas. From water tanks and roofs to retaining walls and swimming pools, it protects against water penetration, chloride and carbonation. With a simple 3-minute mix to achieve a smooth consistency, apply it effortlessly with a brush, broom or a towel. Just remember to apply the second coat after the first has hardened. Get the reliable and effective protection you need with SikaTop 107 Plus and protect your floors and walls from water damage. The SikaTop 107 Plus is the ultimate solution for all your waterproofing needs.